Safety leadership is not about managing what is already there, but it's about creating something new, creating the conditions for something new to emerge, something that wouldn't happen without you. Most leaders come into safety with a very similar mindset. They think that safety leadership is about role modeling the right behaviors to get people to follow the rules, that LTI frequency rate is the most important thing to focus on. It's a bit like they're thinking that safety leadership is just normal leadership with the PPE shirt on. However, safety leadership asks something much bigger from us. Safety leadership is not about managing what is already there, but it's about creating something new, creating the conditions, something new to emerge, something that wouldn't happen without you. Systems don't drift naturally towards safety. They drift towards short-term goals and speed and convenience. Safety leadership is about bending the system back towards long-term goals, towards resilience, greater care, and greater safety margins. That's why the work of safety leaders takes courage. It takes courage to bring things up before something has gone wrong, to surface tensions and trade-offs and conversations that can be uncomfortable to look at or have. Safety leadership is also about more than preventing harm. It's about what kind of future do we want to create. It's about having a culture in which people speak up and talk to each other, care for each other, which we anticipate what's going to happen next, in which we can learn together. Our safety leadership program is typically a 2-day experience in the classroom. It's full of exercises and case studies. It's very practical. It's really designed for operational leaders to become more active in safety, to become more comfortable and confident and capable to step in and have conversations around safety, to see and act from a bigger lens, to understand that safety is an outcome from how we design, manage, and deliver our work.